Someone kill me. I'm stuck.
It's nice. Very good.
Today we're gonna be hiding fireworks.
Real taste.
Guys, start. Start finding.
Oh, I found one. Found one.
Dude,
Okay.
Look, I found this. Oh, look, I found this.
You
found
put-
it. Found it.
Found one.
Okay,
Found it.
This is my section.
This is my
He
stash.
found
This
two.
is my stash over here.
he found
This is my
two.
stash. Oh, found this. Found this. I found three. I found three.
3. Whoever wins, he gets a prize in the end.
So he has 3. What the heck?
Is this a no PvP? Is this a PvP?
Okay,
Goofy.
you guys have
I only have 3.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Whoever have the most wins. 1,
I have the
Two.
most. And now.
3.
A few moments later.
Oh.
Okay, stop. He died. Okay, you're the winner. His
who,
Oculus died. Yeah, you're the winner.
Okay.
Take it. Take your prize.
That's great.
Yes.
Can I sell this?
You can sell it. Do whatever you want with it. Peace, guys.